My dear brothers and sisters, when we speak about Fatimiyya, you may say that it's difficult to find optimism in the majalis of Fatima Zahra salawatullahi alayha. But even Fatima Zahra in her last days showed some optimism. Why? When she tells Amir al-Mu'mineen, وَعَفِّي مَوْضِعَ قَبْرِي, when she tells the Imam, Ya Ali, bury me at night and conceal the location of my grave, it was an act of defiance. So no one can say that Fatima lent credence to the government of Abu Bakr. No one can say that. She challenged them. It was an act of defiance against that illegitimate government. But in addition to the fact that the concealment of her grave was an act of defiance, it was also an act of hope. Because Fatima alayhi salam had hope that generation after generation the Muslims would ask a fundamental question. A question that will take them from Islam to Iman. That will take them from being those who say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah to those who perfect their deen by saying La ilaha illallah Muhammadun Rasulullah wa Aliyun Waliyullah. She had hope that until the dhuhur of the Imam, people will wander in Medina asking, where is the grave of Zahra?